I have a substantial litigation background, which is essential for any family law practice. So there's really no family law issue that's going to come up that I can't handle with my background. I started my practice in New York City at a large New York City commercial litigation firm. I moved to Chicago in approximately 1993, and I became a partner at a commercial litigation firm here in Chicago. When I left the firm, I decided I wanted to do something different, and I started working on family law. My firm handles a full range of family law matters from divorce, child custody, and child support. The one thing I've learned as an attorney over many years is the most important attribute of an attorney is the ability to listen closely to their client and understand what their client wants out of the case. Once you understand that, you can develop a strategy that makes sense for the client based on their needs, their desires, and the reality of the situation they're in. Without that, you can't formulate a good strategy, and you're not going to give the client the level of service that they're entitled to. My firm offers the ability to craft a sensible, common sense strategy for every client that comes here.